Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's my class. And today, dear students, we will be learning a grammar portion, a new lesson, chapter number 7, adjectives. So, what are the adjectives and what is the definition of adjectives? So, adjectives are the words which describe noun or pronoun. Adjectives are the words describe noun. Okay, words that describe noun are called adjectives. Okay, so and there are type of adjectives. Which are the type of adjectives? Type of adjectives are quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative, and possessive. Okay, these are the 6 type of adjectives we will be learning in this lesson. Dear students, actually in our chapter pronoun we have learned the demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun and possessive pronoun. Okay, same thing we are going to learn as an adjective. What is demonstrative adjectives? Okay, I have told you what is demonstrative adjectives, as well I told you what is interrogative adjectives and what is possessive adjectives that we have learned in our previous lesson. Okay, so going through the types of adjectives, today we will be going through the first, that is adjectives of quality. The first one is an adjectives of quality. So how it qualifies a noun? Through which words? So words such as majestic, amazing, splendid, magnificent, marvelous, enormous and impressive gives us information about the quality of a noun. So these are the words, okay, which gives us information about the quality of a noun. Dear students, if we go through the books on page number 54, there are 7 wonders of the words given in your page number 52. Okay, so here let's do the practices. So the pictures of a few famous monuments are given below. Identify the name of each picture with the help of the list given on the next page. Okay, it is given on the next page. See, here on the page number 53, it is given the names of the monuments. So, during our Zoom session, we shall go and discuss about this, and that will be your homework. Dear students, this will be your homework that you have to do it by yourself. Okay, so we looked, then there was a type of adjectives we went through. The next one we will be going through. The next one we will be going through, that is the adjectives of quantity. That means it can be a quantifier and number. So second one we are going to learn is an adjectives of quantity. So, going through the adjectives of quantity and number. So, what is adjectives and quantity of number? So, dear students, we have learned about numbers. Okay, the cardinals numbers and ordinals numbers. Okay, the cardinals numbers and ordinal numbers. Numbers tells us about a countable nouns. It modifies or qualifies a countable noun. So, adjectives of quantity and number, words such as most, some, few, enough, much, little and all gives us information about the quantity of nouns. Okay, in what quantity the noun is, it gives the information about. They are called the adjectives of quantity. These measuring of the noun, words modify the noun and are also called the quantifiers. Okay, it is the measuring of the noun, so they are also called a quantifiers. Okay, in the remember, on the page number 54 in the remember post, they have written the adjectives of quantity described uncountable nouns. So dear students, through these words most, some, few, enough, much, little and all gives us about that this the quantity is an about uncountable nouns. And when we go through the numbers, okay, when we go through the numbers, adjectives or number, it tells us about the countable nouns, because the cardinal and ordinals used to describe the amount of countable nouns. It describes the amount of countable nouns. They are called adjectives number. See, cardinal numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and etc. And ordinal numbers are first, second, third, etc. So, the quantity describes the uncountable noun and the adjectives of number describes the countable noun. So, dear students, before we go through the exercise, let us once again revise that words that describe nouns are called adjectives. Words that describe nouns are called adjectives. There are types of adjectives: quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, interrogative and possessive adjectives. In today's lecture, we have learned the number one, that is the quality of an adjective. Okay, we learned that some words, okay, that gives the information about enormous. The word enormous gives us the information about, and it describes the noun. And the second one we have learned, that is adjectives of quantity and number. So in today's class, we have learned three types of adjectives: adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number. Adjectives of quality means it gives us information and describes the noun. Secondly, quality, it describes the uncountable noun. Okay, and third, the number, it describes the countable noun. It describes the countable nouns. Now, let's go through the exercise. Let's practice, that is on the page number 54. So, in this exercise, we are going to identify the adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number, and we are supposed to make list of it. Dear students, I have made a list of it here. Okay, because it is paragraph, already I have done a list. I shall explain to you. So let's go to the paragraph 1. They have already done for us. The amazing 23-year-old Deepa Karmakar from Tripura is the first woman gymnast from India to qualify for Olympics. So amazing. Word amazing is an adjective of quality. Word amazing is an, because she is an amazing person. Okay, she is an amazing person. So word amazing is an adjective of quality. Secondly, we go first. So first is an adjective of number, countable noun. Okay. Deepa didn't win an Olympic medal, but she ranked an impressive 4th position in women's vault final in Rio de Janeiro on August 14, 2016. So she is an impressive woman. Okay, she is a ranked an impressive 4th rank. Okay, she impressive. The word impressive. Okay, though she didn't win a gold medal, but it was an impressive thing she has done. So it is a qualified, and the 4th is a number. Simon Bellis from America won the gold medal with a final score of 15.966. So final, again it is a number. The final, it is a number. Deepa's score was 15.066 for executing one of the most dangerous feats in gymnastics, that Pronduva vault. Okay, dangerous. The word dangerous qualifies again. So it is an adjective of quality. This difficult vault was named after the Russian gymnast Prondnova. Okay, it was named after Russian gymnast. Okay, Russian qualifies name. Okay, Russians is a qualified, so it is a activities of quality. Russian gymnast Elena Prondova, who first performed in 1999. Only a few, again comes the quantity, a few uncountable. Okay, a few people can perform this vault. This vault has been done successfully by only 5 people in the world, including Kamaka. 5. Again, it is a countable now. Okay, so dear students, in today's lecture, we have gone through the types of adjectives, adjectives of quality, quantity and number. So all 3 definitions you have to write it down. Whatever I have written on the board, each and every word you have to write down, and this exercise, after reading the paragraph, you have to make this table in your notebook and write it down. Have a good day and thank you to all.